Hi everyone, I'm Adam from How To. Let's start. Playing with mandala is one of the coolest features in Photoshop CC. And it's also good for logos and creative patterns. So check the mandala play and have fun. First of all, let's open Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop CC 2020. First of all, we'll create a new project. Okay. We'll use that pixel and that. And we will go with the background transparent. Okay, let's start. We'll use now a new feature in Photoshop from the brush tool, and it is we are going to play with the mandala. Okay. First of all, we'll have a background here. So we will press Shift Control N to make a new layer. Okay, and we will use a bucket to paint it. Okay, now we will start with the brush and start playing with the brush tool from the mandala. Okay, we will start by 3. We'll choose brush and start playing. Okay, great. We'll leave it for now. Okay, and make a new layer by pressing Shift Control N to make a new layer. And go for the brush and choose again mandala and choose with 4. Okay, and go again and choose the brush and start playing again. Okay, great. We'll leave it for now. Okay, and make another one by pressing Shift Control N for another layer, and open brush, choose from mandala. Let's play with 5 and go and choose brush. Okay, we'll hold, start playing with another way. Okay, seems really good. Awesome. Okay, let's make another layer by pressing Shift Control N. And now press the brush and choose mandala. We'll go with 6. Okay, choose brush and start by playing. Really good, very effective. Okay, great. Now we will go to the brush and choose mandala. For now it will be 7. Okay, great. But first of all, we will reduce the cursor and make it 3. And let's start. Wow, that's great. Okay, we'll hide it for now and make a new layer by Shift Control N. Layer 7. Okay, and choose from the brush, choose mandala, and we will go with 8. That's great. Okay, let's start playing. Wow, it's really awesome. Okay, great. Okay, let's make a new layer and choose from the brush, choose mandala, and go with 9. Okay, let's start. That's great. Great job. Wow. Okay, let's make the last layer, cause the maximum number we got here is 10. By moving the cursor, its maximum number is 10 and the minimum is 3. Okay, we'll go with 10. Select the brush and start our lovely game. Wow. Nice one. Okay. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Bye bye.